Okay, this is how to replace the driver's wing mirror on a 71 plate brand new Ford Transit Connect. This is the driver's side mirror. So you have to do this by removing the door card. The door card is held in place by a few hidden screws. So we have the panel from the door handle. So the bottom piece just pops out, and there's two hidden screws, one there and one there. Then there's one behind the door opening handle panel, one in there. Then there's a further one underneath. And there is a hidden one, which is a bit sneaky, which is behind the reflector, and just in there, which then screws onto this piece. Then the rest of it is just popping the popping the poppers off. And then you can gain access to the inside of the mirror. So we have the plug, and then inside behind these grommets we have 1, 2, 3 bolts, and then that's the whole mirror away. So this is the new one. That's the 3 bolt holes, and then there's 2 clips, one there and one there, which holds the mirror in.